Hi, everybody. I'm back from my trip. I had fun. It was very spiritual. I met a bunch of ladies who who gave me the courage to do what I'm about to do. You know, to do all that I'm gonna do. You know, I don't know. I think the universe puts certain people in your life. I think you meet certain people, you experience certain people to help you move forward. You know, I think in this life we have lessons that we must learn, and sometimes these lessons feel like a deja vu because we haven't completed the lesson, And I'm like, oh my God. Universe, what is the lesson I'm meant to learn so I can move on from this? So it was a spiritual retreat. I was with a couple of my close friends, and yeah, it was good. Can y'all believe I came back sick? Oh my God, sneezing all on everybody. Well, no, because I don't sneeze on everybody. I put my face in my clothes. And I try to cover up because I hate when people sneeze and it'd be like chew and you smell all the breath. Ugh. Yeah, but I don't do that. I'm getting better though. I'm doing my coffee in a month because I haven't did it since I left. So I got to get back on that. And I took me a spiritual bath last night, and I prayed to the universe to heal me. To heal me. Because on that ship, oh my God, on the cruise, there was foods and tons of food and food. I'm like, oh my God. So, being a vegan, I was like, oh my God. I almost reneged on being a vegan. Just like, no. No, I ate French fries and baked potatoes and sweet potatoes and a lot of fruit and vegetables and water. Yeah. Yum. While everybody else eating lobster. But no, the lobsters deserve to live too. I'm so silly. But yeah, I'm getting myself healthy again. Oh my God. Eating all these potatoes. Shit. Potatoes and rice and all that shit. You can still gain weight off of eating all of that. I gotta get myself back together, honey. And, I went to the Bahamas and touched the land, touched the water, touched the beach, touched the sand, and saw the people. They hungry too, like we are here in America. I wish I could help everybody. I wish I can help people everywhere, because they just, trying to sell their stuff and try to make money to feed their families, just like we work hard and try to feed our families. Oh, shit. mm, mm, mm. But yeah. So I brought a little piece of the land back with me. Sand. Hope I don't get sick. I think I want to put the sand in a bottle. A small bottle, and wear it around my neck as a necklace. Oh, the sun there. I don't know. The sun is the sun, but the sun there was so bright. I talked to the sun. I said, sun, I'm here. I'm here. All the ladies I was with was in pain, been through something. And we all was healing. We all were there healing and helping each other. And it was good. It was fun. You know, they called me KC. You know, they say it's something about you, KC. Something to make me want to be close to you. I don't know what it is, but I'm glad to have it. I'm glad to share it. Yeah. Oh, I hope all these potatoes and whatever come out of me. I got to clean my colon. I got to be clean for the universe. For when it's time, when they come and smell me and say, I smell clean. Come get me. You know, come get me. Oh, yeah. I even did karaoke, guys. Oh, my God. My inner Tina Turner came out. And, whoa. I was entertained, but y'all probably already know. You know, everybody has different sides to them. I'm learning to love and appreciate myself right now. You know, regardless of what this outside is, my inside, everything about me, my inside is really beautiful. You know, I just want to give and share and love, you know, try to help others to want to give and love and share. Oh, tomorrow's a work day. I'm preparing myself, you know, with me being a little sick, I just will do. I won't say too much. I just will do. Or I'll shake my head. No. Sometimes it's just better not to say nothing. I'm learning that. Sometimes you just don't have that energy that people try to bring out of you. Just be silent. Be still. You know, reminds me of the Karate Kid. He said being still and being silent, or being still and doing nothing, is two different things, which it is. Well, I'm going to get off of here and enjoy my coffee enema and breathe and get used to doing them again, you know. I mean, a whole week without driving, without doing my enemas and stuff. Oh my God. I just felt so, oh my God. So I need to get back into my routine. Oh, my nose is trying to heal. I have to get back home and put some steel in it. My baby girl said, Timmy, I don't think that's wise of you to have that nose ring. Your nose is looking gray. It's like, oh my God, baby, really? But you know, you gotta love. This is what makes us human, our flaws, you know. So whether this shit is gray or not, Maddie, that's my baby. I'm gonna bust this, because I already done did this. Already a hole there, honey. I can't do nothing about it. I'm just gonna rock it. It looks good. I might do another one. Nah, I'm just gonna do the one, because pain is pain, and pain is pain, pain, pain. Well, okay, I'm really gonna go this time. Bye-bye.